Like everybody, welcome back. Silver prices are literally flying right now. Let me make my screen a bit smaller. You guys can see the year chart is absolutely insane. Current price of silver for an ounce, which is about 28 grams, right, is £54. 1 gram of silver now is worth £1.75. So yeah, you can see the increase that's happened this year. I've been seeing reports that there's a shortage as well, global shortage of silver, and that's what's driving the price as well, supply and demand. So why am I making this video, guys? Is because I want to bring attention to a stock which has silver assets and is currently in the exploration stage. It's not producing any silver or any revenue yet, but it's something that may be of interest, especially with the rising silver prices. And that stock today is called Rockfire Resources. The ticker is ROCK. Current market cap is below 10 million at 9.51. Current share price is 0.16 GBX. A 5-day chart up 3%. 1 month up 3%. 6-month chart, you're up 93%. It used to be 0.08 back in June. Year to date, you're down minus 13%. So, what is Rockfire Resources? Rockfire Resources is a mining company, and they have a 100% owned asset in Greece, in which they are currently doing some drilling in. So, if you go into the latest RNS, we can see, guys, that right now in their asset that's called Malau, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, there is drilling going on right now. It's a 30-hole drill program, and the objective is, oh mate, what's going on here? The objective is to move from the inferred resource stage to the indicated resource stage. So historically, this RNS here from 2024 September, where Rockfire Resources stated the following: that their asset is now in the top 20 undeveloped global zinc deposits. Rockfire Resources pleased to announce a JORC mineral resource upgrade of 500% at the Malo zinc silver lead deposit in Greece. So it's located in Greece, and just look at some of the numbers on their inferred JORC resource estimate they have. So it contains over 1 million tons of zinc, 260,000 of lead, and 19.1 million ounces of silver, right? So that's what we're interested about, this figure right here, 19.1 million ounces of silver, where right now you can see the price of 1 ounce is £54. So doing some quick maths, you're looking at over like a billion, I think. You're looking at over £1 billion worth of silver is in their asset, but do note it's still in the inferred state. So what we're going to be doing is actually asking ChatGPT how much 19.1 million ounces of silver is worth, but do note it is at the inferred JORC stage. So I did a quick ChatGPT to make it a bit clear for anyone that's new to mining what the inferred JORC resource means, and it's basically the lowest confidence category of mineral resources under the JORC code. Plain English definition: inferred resources is an estimate of how much mineral might be in the ground based on limited data. So that report obviously was from 2024, and right now we're at the end of 2025, and they're drilling right now to move it from an inferred resource to an indicated resource, which is why they have a 30 drill program ongoing right now in Greece to move the resource. So indicated. So moving on to indicated means basically that they're fairly confident. And what we can do is actually ask ChatGPT regarding this. So tell me how much asset value Rockfire Resources has, and when does it plan to move into an indicated resource category for its Greece asset. Let's just take a look at this. Just look at the numbers, guys. Look at the numbers. Bear in mind, like what I said, right? Market cap right now. Let's go back again. market cap right now is only 9 million. Yeah, 9 million. And look at this. The asset. Okay, so obviously it's doing a whole breakdown on current company asset, market base, and it's obviously put in the Jork resource at the Greece project, the 19.1 million of silver, asset value. Okay, so obviously this isn't helping too much. So I need to ask again, how much is that assets worth using live prices? So yeah, look, you can see the indicated resource upgrade in progress via drilling expected. So that's going on right now. The drilling to move on to the indicated stage. So you'd still be pretty early getting into this. Obviously, if these prices of critical assets continue going up, then, you know, look at this. This is what we're interested in. Look, estimated in-ground metal value gross before cost. The zinc, $3.38 billion. Lead, 0.52 billion. Silver, $1.53 billion of silver they have gross before cost based on the inferred resource figures they've given in that RNS. So, and obviously right now you're on the indicate stage. So even if like the indicate shows half of that at like 10, you're still looking at $750 million worth of silver for a company's market cap who's only 9 million. So this is why the smart play, guys, is they're looking to companies that are still on the exploration stage and that have huge assets in ground and that have these key like critical metals that are in demand right now, and it looks like the prices will just continue going up. Like if there's a supply crisis, then you know prices of silver is going to continue to increase that we see here. And you know what that means? The price of the in-ground metal value that Rockfire Resources has will also continue to increase. So their total in-ground commodity value, which is actually crazy, just based on the what is it indicated? Yep, the indicated prices is inferred prices is $5.43 billion, right? 10 million market cap. Just remember that. Which is why, you know, this is crazy, but you do need to be careful because it's not the same as the economic value, and we're still waiting for the indicated resource upgrade that's going to happen. That's in progress right now, so numbers probably won't be as high as that. But if it's anywhere as close for a 10 million market cap, you're in business. We'll also ask it what can happen to their share price based on these asset values going into production. So which is why Rockfire Resources, I think it's one of my top picks for 2026, I'd say. Just, you know, 5 billion approximately in the ground. What usually drives the share price step by step, going from inferred to indicated. So that's in progress right now. Once the 30 drills are completed, I think 3 have been completed so far, so still another 27 to go. We should see the share price uplift, and then, you know, but once that happens, there'll be new information. You can get the expected mine life, annual production costs, all this stuff. Bigger picture. So yeah, look. Possible market range near production 30 to 50 million. I mean, I think it could be much higher than that. Much, much higher. Multi-bagger potential. That's what we like to see. Multi-bagger potential. But obviously, the thing with these ones, you need patience. So obviously, if you're a short-term, it could benefit you. Look, 88% up in 6 months. Not bad returns. But if you're looking for like the real big gains, then probably you need to wait long-term. Once this moves and they get like a joint venture, get a mine sorted, and then start selling the resources from in-ground, that's when, you know, you should see like the big increases. For example, Greatland Resources, GGP, gold mining company, in full production right now. They obviously started as like an exploration, found their gold, slowly built up their mines, production facilities, and then you can see the share price and market cap right now 67 billion. So it goes to show, guys, it goes to show. So yeah, guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been a little video on Rockfire resources and the potential based on the record-breaking silver prices we are seeing right now on a potential stock that could benefit hugely in the coming months and years. I'm hoping months because obviously the drilling's in progress, and once they move from inferred to indicated, that should see a good uplift in the share price as well. So guys, let me know your thoughts on Rockfire resources. If you invested, let me know your comments. And let's see what happens with silver, gold, and all these different commodities going forward into 2026. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And peace.